Aloha. Here we are at another two-house property here in Puako. We're towards the northern end, but this also has some beautiful beach access. Got a Hayden mango, and there's actually one bedroom, one bath on the right side, and the left side is the same. Now the left side is not recognized by the county records, and then the main house is 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. There's a laundry hookup in the main house. There's an outdoor laundry here that could be very easily covered in a different type of flooring, very easy to put in. We're sitting underneath a beautiful monkey pod, gives us some nice shade. There's irrigation in place if you were to want to change landscaping, add landscaping, very easy to do. There's a survey on the property, shoreline certificate, and they've got their own nice little lanai. I'm going to stay out of the house for this video with people have been traveling and kind of on quarantine, so I'm going to stay out of there, but we have enough pictures, and I wanted to show you really what the ocean view is going to look like, what the beach looks like. We got Maui out today, snorkel boat, and literally this beach house is on the beach. You can see from your lanai here. If I turn to the right here, you can see the property corner flag that's right underneath the little tree at the base. So this house is grandfathered in as it's too close if you were to go new. We're pretty far from public access, so this is going to be a nice little private beach. We'll take a little jaunt over the wall here. Got a beautiful little beach. This is very easy to tide pool out into, and then right over here past the rocks is a great spot to snorkel out. Makes it very simple, and you get out into snorkel waters in about the first 50 feet here. Get this video off to you. Aloha and a hui hou.